oil prices are on a declining trend. Is there a Diwali bonanza on the offing for the consumers?
I'll have to actually talk to the oil marketing companies to understand where their recovery levels are. Because after all, there were times when they were even importing it at 120, 110, 118. I don't know what kind of losses they've made. I need to work it out with them.
The currency market has been badly affected by the constantly strengthening dollar. Indian currency, though, is holding on to its own, but there is a record low as far as today is concerned, and over the last few days of dollar against Indian rupees. What are the policy options that you're looking at?
Maria, this is a debate which is not going to go away. I know that. And I will, for the benefit of the audience, say how Indian rupee, because of the strength of our macroeconomic fundamentals, is holding out well, and the rate at which other currency vis-a-vis dollar has been, rate of fall of other currency vis-a-vis the dollar has been sharply much more than Indian rupee. So, is that a consolation? Partly yes, because the strength of your economy speaks when you're talking about your exchange rate. And as a result, we are far better than many other countries whose currencies have fallen pathetically against the US dollar. Now, what is our strategy? The interventions, if at all, which RBI makes using the Indian Reserve, which I think nearly 75 billion has been used, essentially to stop the fluctuations, the severe volatilities. RBI is not aiming at fixing the exchange rate. The government doesn't believe in it. Indian rupee and its exchange rates, the rate is also left to the markets to decide how it's going to float or get fixated at some level. So RBI's intervention is more to avoid the fluctuation. The US Fed's action has an impact on all currencies. So we'll have to only be sure that the fluctuation is not going to be severe. On the one hand, some people do also speak that, a falling rupee also helps. Some people speak, I want that to be clearly understood, that a falling rupee helps in exports. Whether it does or it doesn't, theoretically it may, but in today's condition with the recession outside and demands not really being as adequately as it should be, even a fall in the rupee may or may not help our exports. We are all conscious of these basic facts. We'll have to keep watching.